Welcome. Today what I'm going to do is show you the value of x when given the tangent of x equals 1.5399. Now before we can get started, we want to make sure that we can use the tangent function. So to do that, we have to make sure we have a right triangle. And what I do is I notice, since I have this little box triangle, that means I have a right angle in my triangle, therefore I have a right triangle. Now the next thing we need to understand is what exactly is the tangent function? Because we have the tangent of x equals 1.5399. Well, where did we get the 1.5399? Well, we need to remember that the tangent of any angle, in this case our angle x, is going to represent a ratio between two side lengths of a triangle. And that is going to be your opposite side length over your adjacent side length. Now, obviously in this problem we don't have those two side lengths, but what we are given is what the ratio equals, which is 1.5399. So therefore, what we have is we have a function tangent, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to have to undo that function. Now, if you think of undoing, we think of our inverse functions. If I if I have x plus 1, the inverse of that would be x minus 1. So if I'm looking for what is the opposite of tangent, well, that's what we're just going to call the inverse tangent. So what we have is, if I want to find what x is, I'm going to have to, instead of taking the tangent function, I'm going to have to use the inverse tangent of my function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say I want to find the inverse tangent of 1.5399. Okay, so I want to undo my tangent function for what my tangent equals to find what my value of x is. So we can say the inverse tangent of x equals 1.5399. And what I'll do is I'll just take a scientific or graphing calculator, and all you simply need to do is make sure that if you're trying to find your degrees, that you're in degree mode. And then what I'll simply do is I'll just take inverse tangent of 1.5399, and it'll give me 57 degrees when I round it up to the nearest degree. And ladies and gentlemen, that's how you find your value of x when given the tangent of x equals 1.5399. Thank you.